Hey there, viewers, and welcome back to the South Main Auto Channel. I'm joined here by Miss Marie, and Miss Hannah is absent, home studying for the finals so she doesn't flunk out of college. And of course, you guys can tell by the title of this video, yes, we did win the A1 Cardone video contest, which hopefully most of you, or I guess a fair amount of you, have gone on there and voted. Otherwise, we wouldn't have won. Prior to doing the video and entering that contest, we had a decision to make. You know, if in the event we won, what were we going to do? I suggested booze and gambling. Not really. We came up with a unanimous decision to pay it forward. You know, if we were to win this money, we just wanted to be able to help somebody else out with that. And what we decided to do is find a person in need. In this case, a single mom, works, goes to college, and just drives a crappy car. That's what it comes down to. And, you know, amidst doing that, doesn't have enough money to keep repairing her car while, you know, finding a new car to replace it. Contacted one of my friends who owns a used car lot, goes to the auction, stuff like that. Affordable Auto in Bath, New York. Ray, he's the owner of it. Found us this beautiful 2010 Ford Fusion. It was in pretty good shape when we got it. Kind of grubby on the inside. They did some stuff there to help us out. Mike at Brocola Automotive up in Rochester got us a front bumper cover for it because the bumper cover was torn, needed to be fixed and painted. So Ray took the bumper cover to his paint guy, got that all done, taken care of, got the car to us. They threw some wiper blades on it, cleaned up the inside, did some other things to make it, you know, roadworthy, got it inspected, all that stuff. And then we've got it here at the shop. And today, Miss Marie and myself, we went through the car to fix any other things that we could see that it needed. And that list includes, we changed the oil and filter, which our Bath Napa here in Bath, New York, provided us with the oil and the filter. They also gave us some back brakes at a deeply discounted price. And we put the new rear pads and rotors on the back. We got a really good deal on 4 brand new tires from one of my local tire vendors. So we put 4 brand new snow tires on it, all the way around, all 4 corners. And fortunately, the car still had 2 good tires that we saved that we'll be able to give back to the lady. So in the springtime, she can, you know, put them tires back on and only have to buy 2 more. What else did we do? We fluid filmed the entire car after we were done doing all the other repairs to help keep it, you know, from getting all crusty here in upstate New York as she travels back and forth to school. We put a brand new battery in it. We went down to the Advanced Auto and picked that up. Not a sponsor. And while we were there, we also grabbed a new air filter for the engine and a cabin air filter because the engine air filter wasn't fitting quite correctly. We had to repair the rear heat shield on the gas tank because that was down and rattling. We changed the transmission oil. What else did we do here? Marie started working on cleaning up the interior. Still needs some more work there, but she's coming back later in the week to finish that up. We made sure that the spare tire was in good condition, full of air, and the jack and tools were in the back along with the emergency funnel because this is a capless fuel system on this. We checked and charged the AC. We pulled a vacuum on the AC, drained it all out, made sure it was completely full. It was about 8 ounces low, so come summertime, she'll have nice cold air conditioning. Let's see, we fixed some of the wires in the trunk. Looked like something snagged the wires back there in the trunk, kind of pulled them down, so we put them back up. Let's see, what else? Am I missing anything, Marie?
I think you got it.
Oh, and also Mike at Brocola Automotive, he got us the carpet for the trunk because it was missing the carpet back there. And that's pretty much it. And that is where we're at with the car. So you guys just seen all the little clips that we filmed doing that. Hopefully that works out well. We'll do a little tour around the car, give you a little more closer look, see what the semi-finished product looks like, and our anticipation is this coming up Friday. So today is Sunday, is the only day we actually had to work on this because I'm busy this week. She's working, Hannah's in college. So this Friday we are going to bring this lady who is friends of Marie. We're going to bring her here in super secret surprise mode. So if you guys know her, don't say anything to her. But the fact of the matter is it's already happened at this point. So we're going to bring her here because she knows, all she knows is that, you know, I'm a mechanic, I'm a friend of Marie's, I'm looking for a car for her, and we're just going to kind of trick her to come here and like, hey, you know, you want to take a look at this car? And we're going to present it to her as it's hers. Here's your keys. So and I'm going to try not to cry.
She's gonna cry.
Are you going to cry?
I might cry.
I ain't going to cry, because I'm a man.
I'll bring tissues for you.
I might cry. I might be wearing sunglasses, so if I am. So that's it,
You might
folks.
get some dust in your eye.
I might, yeah, something like something in my eye. I'm going to try not to cry. So we're going to throw the car up on the lift. We're going to take a spin under it with you guys so you guys can see it. And, you know, again, just thanks to your votes, we're able to make this happen.
Hey, and thank you, Eric, for all the work and coordination you put into this. This would not happen without you.
It's all about the people.
I know it's all about people, but you did a good job.
Thanks. Before we get the car up on a lift, in the description box below, I am going to put links to Affordable Auto in Bath, Ray, Gary, and the crew there that helped us out as far as getting the car. Also, Bricolo Automotive, Mike there that helped us with the bumper cover and the carpet in the trunk. I'll put the links to their websites or Facebook pages down below. Also, our Bath Napa, the Warner family that owns that, the links will be down there. And then Express Tire, who helped us out with the tires. So if you guys would, you know, go on their Facebook, give them a thanks for us, and just let them know they're appreciated. So here she is. Of course, it is all fluid filmed right now, so everything is bright and shiny.
Sparkly, actually.
Now, somebody had recently done front brakes on it prior to them getting the car. So the front pads and rotors were in beautiful shape. And the other thing I noticed is it has some brand new quick struts on it, some Autopart International, along with brand new Moog sway bar links. So whoever owned it prior wasn't skimping on parts. You know, new sway bar link over here, brand new quick strut there. We had this whole, you guys probably seen it when we were showing the oil draining. We had that whole skid plate off there, the plastic tray. It is missing the little cover that goes there, so not a huge deal. It was missing all the screws out of the oil filter cover, but we managed to find some and put that back up. And the front end's tight, it's quiet, it drives absolutely beautiful. And of course you can see the sweet brand new snow tires that are on it. And they balanced up well. The rims are nice and straight. They were pretty clean, minimal corrosion. All stainless steel gas lines on it. Of course, all the coated brake lines, but we give them a good slathering of the fluid film anyways. Fluid filmed inside the doors, up inside the body and the rockers, every little nook and cranny we could get into. The exhaust system on it's still in really great shape. And overall, for an 8-year-old New York vehicle, this vehicle was up in Syracuse, I believe it was, it's in really good shape. Usually the rear subframes on these are rotted right out, but this one is in actually fantastic shape. And then of course you guys saw that we put on brand new pads and rotors. We already took it for a shimmy, and the brakes are all super smooth. I am overall quite pleased. Are you quite pleased?
I'm really pleased.
I didn't mean to just blind you with the light. Oh, and this is the only cosmetic defect really, is that rocker panel right there. Yeah, so you just got a small ding in the quarter, or in the bottom of the rocker, but what are you gonna do? I mean, the rest of the car was so nice, it was hard to, you know, not buy it just because of that. And it's not rusty or anything, and it is full of fluid film, so I guess if you can have one little problem. And then this is the bumper cover that Mike got for us. The original bumper cover had a tear in it. So we got that, and then like I say, Ray at Affordable, he had his guy, he knows the guy, had it painted. But overall, the car is super straight, pretty clean. You guys can see down that side. I'm very happy with it.
Sweet.
It's also pretty clean under the hood. Now I know that they had washed it, but I was really happy to see that this engine and transmission does not need to be potty trained whatsoever. No leaks at all. And it's just overall super clean. You can see it has the big 2.5 liter in it, and it is only front wheel drive. However, this is what we were looking for. Just based on the lady's needs, we want something that's economical. It's, you know, cheaper to repair, reliable. And this is, you know, what we came up with. We looked at a few other cars that we had found on Craigslist, and it just wasn't working out. And I'm very grateful that we come across this one. Marie does not want me to show you the interior because she is not done with it. She just started, but you can see we have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cruise control.
Floor mats aren't clean.
Yeah, floor mats are not clean. However, they are the nice rubberized OEM ones. But it's a pretty cool little car. Let me hop in here. Whoa. Automatic gearbox. Sirius XM radio. Of course, this is the only cosmetic side. I think whoever owned it before must have had really long fingernails because those buttons are a little bit messed up. However, the radio works, CD player works, cruise control works. Where's the key at? Yeah, 2 keys with fobs that work. I'm going to lock the keys in it. I'll show you. I think it had 74K, 74 180 something. Yep, we took it for a drive, so it's pretty sweet. Lots of little cubby holes that are kind of grubby holes right now. Of course, we wanted a 4-door also because she is a mom and has chillin', so he's gonna have to get in the back. Need to do a little bit of scrubbing back here. Gary was saying that the seats were really bad when he got it, so he did quite a bit already.
I'll do some more.
And then, of course, come back here to the trunk. And there it is, the trunk. Oh, we also forgot that we tested the emergency release, so I'll show you some footage of that.
Yeah.
All right, fantastic. But overall, the car is super clean. You know, bottoms of the doors, there's no rust on the body. Oh, and this is the only other ding in the car, this little knobber right there.
Oh, you guessed it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is this your personal car wash cleaning kit?
It's my detailing kit, yes.
Oh, well, you're so organized. WD-40, huh?
Oh yeah, just in case. You never know.
And these, well, yeah, and those are the holes you guys saw. So we drilled some holes in the door so we could fill it with fluid film. And I guess that's it, folks. So that, folks, is that. That is what we have done with our winnings, and then some. We've paid it forward. We've used some of the money that we've taken in through Patreon and your donations and stuff, and added that with it so we could really make somebody's day really special, or
Month, year,
whatever.
Whatever.
Christmas, I guess it is almost Christmas season. So that's what we anticipated doing. Both these girls have a heart of gold and a need and a want to give and be helpful. And I think that's really cool. And I'm glad that we were actually afforded the ability to do so, and that we've done that and can actually make somebody's life a little bit better because of it. And so you don't miss that, go down there, click subscribe, and ring the bell. The next upcoming video, hopefully, is going to be when we give this car away.
I don't want to see that one.
Hopefully when she test drives it, she says, yeah, I like that car. I'd like to talk about the price. And then we can take it from there. If she says she doesn't want it, well,
We'll find someone else.
we'll cross that bridge when it gets here. Like I say, in the meantime, go down, click subscribe, ring the bell, leave any of your questions, comments about this car, or criticisms in the comment box below. And just remember, viewers, if we can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.